Welcome to a brand new culinary adventure. Today we're kicking off a very special series celebrating the authentic flavors of Basque cuisine, the food I grew up with, and the food that made me fall in love with cooking. And what better way to start than with a true classic, a rich, comforting traditional Basque fish soup. I know you're going to love it. Every spoonful of this soup tells a story of the sea, of hard work, and of traditions passed down through generations. I'll show you how to bring a piece of that history into your own kitchen. Easy, authentic, and absolutely delicious. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. Here's everything you'll need to make this beautiful Basque fish soup. 1.5 pounds fresh white fish, like haddock, hake, or monkfish. 1 tomato, 1 leek, half an onion, 3 garlic cloves for bread slices, 6 cups of fish stock, salt, black pepper, parsley, olive oil. We'll start by cutting some slices of bread. I'm sure you don't need a tutorial for this, so I'll ask you to subscribe for more videos. You'll also need to chop a leek. Leave a comment to let me know if you're interested in professional cutting techniques and tricks. Chop half an onion and 3 garlic cloves. Now, we're going to grate a tomato. Let's move on to the main ingredient, fish. You can ask your fishmonger to prepare the fish for you, although I prefer to do it myself. We will separate the fillets from the head and the spine. Next, we'll remove the skin with a knife. The trick is to firmly grasp the tail and slide the knife between the skin and the meat. We'll use the head without the teeth, as well as the spine, to prepare the broth. No matter what variety of fish you choose, it will be the same process. Add a sprig of parsley and water to cover the fish completely, and cook it for half an hour. Using a little oil, we will brown the slices of bread. On both sides. We will remove them and reserve them for later. Using the same pot, we will heat a little oil, where we saute the onion. Also the leek. And the finely chopped garlic. A few minutes later, we can add the grated tomato. And the toasted bread cut into cubes. We will add the strained fish stock. Cook it for 20 minutes. With the help of a blender, we will blend the broth. And we season the soup using salt and black pepper, mixing them with the soup. Let's cut the fish. Make sure it doesn't have any annoying bones. For pieces of about 3 or 4 inches will be enough. Don't worry that much about size. It will break into smaller pieces. It will only take 5 minutes to be ready. Time to add some fresh chopped parsley. There is another, less classic variation that includes mussels and prawns. This would be the time to add them, as they'll cook in just a minute. Simmer for 1 minute before serving. It's time to plate this delicious and traditional soup. And leave a like if you like this video and want more weekly recipes. And it's done. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.